Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Artist King, back with another video. So as you guys know by now, I reuse canvases from previous videos. So this is one that I did several months ago. So I am trying something new. Well, I won't say something new, something different with this one. Because it's already been, there's already a design on it, but I'm using the masking tape to do something different. It's a new thing, like I feel like every artist is known for something. So what I've been doing in the past few months is trying to find my area that I'm known for. Because as some of you know who've been following me for a while, I love doing portrait art. That is my first thing. And when I started this channel, I kind of got away from it because of the length of time it takes to do one piece. So I think I've found a way to go back to it. And it's something that what I came up with will kind of give me my own style. Like any famous artist, they're known for certain types of work. So I thought this is what I'm doing here today is kind of my trial run to see how it would work. So I decided to use the masking tape and some different colors. And one of the first things I realized that I should not have done was to use this dark color on this particular piece. But as you know, I learn as I go along. I probably should have used like maybe a light green or a light blue in this instance, because this purple lilac color was just too dark for what I was trying to do. But anyway, you live and you learn. So I found some more craft brushes for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I paid like, I think I bought a pack of them and they equal to like $3-4 a piece. But I found some others, not this one that I'm using here is one that's the expensive one. I paid like $2-3 for one of those, but the Dollar Tree has them in the cosmetic section for $1. So now I have these brushes that I can use that I can use with paint and not just with ink. So I bought those over the weekend, so I got to try them out today. So what I'm doing with this background is trying to create like a mixed media page, like I've done in other videos before. So I'm using stencils, I'm using ink, brushes, and some paint, some acrylic paint, because the yellow and the pink and the purple and the green, I think that was actual acrylic paint that I used. So anyway, I had to get it dried. I dried it up with the blow dryer, and now I am using a stencil with some green ink. And see, when I told you just now, I probably should not have used that dark color. I know you can see why. Because I'm trying to use my lighter stencil colors more. But in a case like this, it really doesn't show up. The green doesn't show up against the purple background. So that was the first thing I realized I probably shouldn't have done. But I didn't want to quit here, so I kept on going. I used several stencils to give it a particular background. So that's what you see me doing here. I got some red ink. See, and I try to put some patterns on there. So I did spend some time trying to just decorate the background of this one to make it like a mixed media page, like a journal page. And then to see what happens, of course, when I remove the masking tape. Because remember, I do have masking tape up underneath all of this paint and ink and stuff, because I just kind of wanted to see how it would turn out. I was just while I was editing this video, I tend to multitask a lot, so I was editing this video, and I was also watching and listening to a video by Life Cycle 360. This is a vlog where she looks at corrective exercises, and it's very interesting because you have so many people that go to the gym and they just pick up weights and they do stuff, and nobody's really showing them the correct form or correct technique to use, and then you end up injuring your back or your legs or something. So what she does is show you the correct way to do exercises. Not only does she do that, she shows you, like, if an exercise has caused you to be slouching or anything like that, she shows you exercises to strengthen your lower back, to strengthen different parts of your body so that your posture and everything, you know, would be correct. Like, she does a lot with people who sit. You know, most of us, we work from home or we sit behind a computer all day. So she shows exercises that can just help to keep your body in good condition. So you guys, if you want to check her out, the name of her blog is Life Cycle 360, and her name is Denise. She's also a search and rescue paramedic. So there's a lot of exciting things going on over there. She's interviewed like COVID people, frontline workers who worked during the pandemic back in Trinidad. She's done a lot of that. So if you are interested in seeing the correct form to use to do exercises and how to correct things when you've injured yourself, check out her channel. She posts on Tuesdays and Fridays. Okay, so every week there's a new video, so check her out and see if maybe you can learn something that would help you with your fitness journey, or just trying to stay healthy and keep your body in good working form. Okay, so back to my video here now. So I'm still like trying to decorate the background before I do what I was planning to do, which I'm not going to tell you till it's almost time to do it. And I'm learning as I go along how to really do this mixed media thing. So in this case, like I said, I probably should have used a lighter color instead of the purple. But, you know, we'll see how it turns out eventually. So here I am removing the masking tape, and you don't see a whole lot here because remember, I did already have a pattern, a design on the front. So when I look at it now, it almost looks like two ladies are dancing face to face. It's kind of weird. That's what I see when I look at it. You know, in school they give you these ink blots and tell you describe what you see. Well, that's what I see. But anyway, this is the thing that I was didn't want to say until now. So what I used to do a lot of pencil drawings. I've kind of gotten away from that. So I had a whole book full of pencil drawings that I took my craft scissors thing, craft blade, and I cut out the outline. So what I want to do is, like, you know, put different colors on the page, on the canvas or whatever I might be using. Just put different colors on there and use different stencils and different patterns till you get you know, a mixed media background. And then what I want to continue to do, like I'm doing here, is put a picture, a pencil drawing. So the person is always going to be kind of like in black and white. Yeah, I had some trouble with the glue because my glue stick ran out. But that's okay, I'll get another one. I think I ended up using some Mod Podge to get it stuck, because that's the only other thing I had that could, I could use it as glue. So that's how this one turned out. And I think see, the glue stick wasn't sticking. So after I got that taken care of, yeah, see, it was almost blowing away everything. So I got the Mod Podge, and I used that like glue. It works pretty good. It stays and the stuff don't raise up and all that. So yeah, I didn't have a problem using that. So I got that, and I had to put it up on the top, of course, because you see the whole top is just blown away. Yeah, the whole thing was almost coming off. So anyway, I applied all the glue and everything, and that is how my office, sorry, not my office, that is how my, that's kind of the new technique I want to use, because I think it's different. I've never really seen anybody do anything like this. So that's why I thought, how can I incorporate the faces that I like to draw with the mixed media and the other type of art that I like to do. So yes, I think this is different and it's unique to me. I can't see anybody else doing something exactly like this. So I think I've finally found my real niche as to what my channel is going to look like. Not saying that I wouldn't do like some surreal art or spin art in between, but I think from here on in, well, I do have several videos that I've already made that I will post. But when I get past them, I think that this is kind of what I'm going to be concentrating on going forward. To do the portrait and to incorporate them on a mixed media background or a spin art background, or whatever background I choose to put it on, because I think this will be something different and new to most people. So anyway, guys, I think I'm getting really sleepy here, so I'm gonna finish my voiceover. So remember, every Tuesday and every Saturday you can look forward to a new video. I have over, I think, 109 videos posted on my vlog. You are free to look at them, comment, share, and when you do, please like the videos. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like on the videos, because this helps with YouTube to push the videos out some more. So if you look at the videos, just please give me a thumbs up, or leave a comment, something to let me know that you guys are looking at the videos, you're engaging in what I'm doing. Okay, so I think I'm going to let you see the rest of the video. I don't think there's much more to it, but I'm gonna sign off here, and thank you for watching. Thank you for taking this journey with me. And as you can see there, I'm putting some more flowers. I'm finally using black. So I'm going to outline some flowers next to her face. And that is, you see, and that's why I said, look at that. That's why I said I probably should not have used the purple, because a lot of the lighter colors, you can't really see them with the purple. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you on my next video. Okay? All right. Bye now.